Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 10. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sending this figure for unboxing and review. Punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga Iron Man ZD Toys, 1,450 pesos only. Okay, again, Laro Anan, thank you very much. Okay. Let's proceed with the box. Very high quality box. Product shot. ZD Toys logo. 110 scale Iron Man collections. Marvel Studios Iron Man 3. Mark 10. Dito naman sa right side, you have the Disney logo. Product shot. Iron Man 3 logo. Zongdong Toy. Ang meaning ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toys. If you see this seal, meaning this product is authentic and original. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. Okay? Tapos dito naman sa likod, you have the shot of the action figure, front and back, different dynamic poses. Chinese text here, barcode, QR code. Tapos dito, Marvel Studios Iron Man 3. If you, dito naman sa right side, you have the magnetic flap, very high quality trays. The first tray, nandito yung action figure. Yung second tray naman, nandito yung accessories. Okay? This is the accessory tray. And ito naman yung figure tray. Super nice. Wow. Stig. All right, so this is Iron Man Mark 10 out of the box. Grabe, sobrang angas nito. Look at the paint job. It's very cool, very metallic. Look at this part right here. Look at the sheen dun sa lights natin. Tapos ang color combination niya ay candy red, cherry red, and also gold na paint. Tapos meron siyang gunmetal and silver na accents. Ay, very cool. Galing talaga ni ZD Toy sa paint job. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila na-achieve itong gantong klaseng mga paint jobs, pero grabe, lupit. Tsaka meron pa tong top coat na gloss. It's very glossy, very metallic na finish. Yung gold medyo satin yung yung finish niya. Hindi siya LED versions, pero it will be really really cool if gumawa sila ng LED version ng Iron Man Mark 10, okay? In the near future. So let's start with the head. Yung faceplate niya it's gold, tapos meron translucent na part ng eyes, red section here, meron siyang eye or ear armor. Tapos itong chest armor niya, very cool design kasi I think parang nautical yung nito, yung design nito. Parang pang underwater. Not so sure kung ano yung function ni Iron Man Mark 10. Pero astig nung arc reactor design niya, very large na arc reactor here. So para siyang uh, inverted triangle na shape. Tapos merong cut din dito, semicircle cut dito sa part na to. Meron din mga rivets and also meron kang malaking large na gold section dito sa may rib area niya. You have your biceps na gold. You have your elbow pads na gold section din. Gold gold segments here and also dito sa front part ng kanyang legs. I think if you're gonna break it down, yung leg niya from Mark 7, ito hindi ko alam kung sure kung saan tong part na to. Pero yung mga armors ni Iron Man, talagang mix and match ng iba't ibang armors din. So to create this one, you need a specific armor type or armor panel para magawa itong part na to. So since ginagawa naman ni Z dito is lahat ng armors for House Party Protocol, it's very very nice para makompleto yung yung mismong ilang armors nga pala yun? 50 plus? I think 50 plus. Lahat ng armors ni Iron Man plus Mark 85. Yeah, I think Mark 50 yung last. Yeah, I think 50, 50 plus. Tapos 85, so around 50 plus plus armors para makompleto yung buong Iron Man House Party protocol ng mga armors. Okay? Dito naman sa feet, very nice feet design. Look at this. Meron mga rivets, very large for feet design for stability. Look at this. Nahati sa three panels or three sections yung kanyang feet. Tapos may mga hydraulic designs pa. Hindi siya nag-work pero ang ganda pa rin ang pagkakagawa nila dito. Look at that. Okay, in terms of articulation naman, head can look up, down, 360, pwede ba? 360, pwede pa rin. Okay, hindi naman na-hinder yung movement. Shoulder pads can extend Tapos, ang ganda rin itong part na to kasi gunmetal siya. Tapos, you can also extend this part. Pwede nyo ipasok, extend for better, meron siyang konting butterfly joint for better articulation. This can rotate, double jointed na elbow, and also, oh, look at that part, yung kanyang kamay. Meron pang mga silver na lines. Okay? Also, this one can extend, push down, extend, crunch. Wala masyado movement, ganyan lang. Okay, crunch, wala masyado. Okay. Pull down, kick that far. Mas mataas yung kick pag niro-rotate eh. Ayan, pag ganyan. Tapos back kick that far. Wow, nice. Tapos double jointed yung kanyang knees and also pwede mo siyang i-rotate itong part na to. Can this, oh, mga galaw pala to. Hindi na nagagalaw yung kanyang feet. Okay? In terms of accessories naman, meron siyang apat na repulsor blast effects. Tapos, meron din siyang hexagonal stand. Yung kamay na extra, meron siyang 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 na alt hands. Very nice. Tapos, you have also the hexagonal base, the attachment, and yung pole para magawa niyo yung mga dynamic poses. Also, spring-loaded itong part na to. Okay? Alright, that's it mga ma'am sir. That's the review of Iron Man Mark 10. If you want this figure, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook or Laruanan on Shopee. ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 10 for only 1,450 pesos only. Meron pa palang articulation to sa likod, yung flaps niya. Wait lang, buksan lang natin. Pwede nyo mong gamitin to, tong part na to, yung mga repulsor effects or fire effects. Para siyang fire eh. Okay? Yan. Pwede nyo rin i-articulate itong mga flaps sa likod niya. Okay? So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. That's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!